breakfast. And it's macaroni and cheese.
I don't want to laugh at you, but dude, that coughing is really funny.
Right here would be perfect. Like right here.
Huh.
Put it right here. Yeah, I think that's long enough. I don't think we need to go any longer. I got it covered. I got everything covered. That works too. It's so flappy with how long it is. Yo. It's not long enough. I got some pieces right here. I got some pieces right here. I'll help you.
Let's do something like that.
Let's go, bro.
To boost it up.
You have to climb this thing. I got more pieces.
Hey guys, we're gonna make it even bigger. Dang, let's fight him.
Yeah, we'll do this.
No. Could I just pitch climb this entire thing? Yes. Wow, that's kind of tall.
Okay. I got a plan with this. Okay.
I don't.
It's not brick. A lot of pieces incoming. I'm not even joking. These are so many pieces. Let's just make this go to the end of the map. That's enough. I got a plan.
Gotta make it bigger.
Okay? Make it solid.
It's so enough.
Let's just attack this.
Yeah. So what if it's enough? Why not add a few more inches? It'll be more excitement. Div. That makes no sense. If anyone wants to know what that means,
There we go. You liking it? Yeah, he likes it now. It's a nice workout. Okay.
That was a very bad idea. I made it.
yeah, look at that.
Greatest slide of all time. Bro, what is wrong with your... Okay, I'm not even gonna mention it.
No, it broke. I broke it. I broke it. Help! I broke it.
You put bounce pads so that way you can have a little boost to speed. No, this is meant for a workout. This is the fun. This is my daily workout. I'm going uphill. This is how my parents went to school.
Actually, no, they did that both ways at the same time, twice, for school.
No, I'm doing a workout. This is on camp.
They walked uphill both ways,
It's a workout.
both to and from school.
It's not steeper too, so I can.
Yours is tall. Mine is taller than yours. Book.
Hey guys. Okay, I was just checking this so we're ready for the go down.
Workout non-existent. LeBron James.
That's weird.
My sister has LeBron.
Yeah. Gimme. Thank you.
I'm getting coated up.
It's like that one scene from In the Heights.
Guys, I'm making it better. I'm making it bigger. I'm making it bigger by adding a thing.
That looks quite weird.
Oh, it's a monkey plushie. Look at it.
Can you even see this thing?
This is amazing.
Ooh,
Skybase this, guys. Let's make this a skybase. No way. Did they fix the glitch?
What glitch?
No way. I think they fixed
Also,
fans.
that glitch.
Yeah, I think they fixed the fans.
No, they didn't.
Two more times.
They did not fix the glitch.
I think I'm gonna do it 8 times.
That way it's supposed to be out.
Crazy. It's me. I'm gonna do it 8 times. Yippee! I got 6 more times to go after this. I'm like, tags are fine.
Fan.
Every time I get rewarded by a slide.
Come on.
Come on!
Bro, get the COVID.
Come on, boys. We need bricks. We need stairs.
I think I like it. Whoa, do you have the casual pack? Ultimate experience. Where's the casual pack? Where you at?
Oh my, that
Just
gives
grab onto this one.
Okay, someone just turned into an actual monkey for like 2 seconds.
What is this so fun?
Who's Nina?
I'm getting it on top! 6 more times to go. It's not too bad.
It's actually a good idea. Who thought of this idea? Decided you.
Me.
It was me. Oh my god, you actually did it. It was also kind of my idea since I built this giant. You did not build this entire giant staircase. Oh yeah, it was kind of a team effort kind of thing.
I feel like y'all should add more. Most of it, yeah.
Yeah, no.
Who wants to get sideways apples?
I read this right here.
Not me. Really crazy.
I'm gonna go get some sideways apples.
I'm enjoying it.
Really?
What?
Fix your hand thingy down there.
So close.
You're weird.
What the bruh?
So close. I'm doing this 8 times. Look at me.
I know my teeth. I wish it was broken.
Hey, soul sister.
I'm on vacation.
Did you what? Huh? What?
Hey guys, one of you grab this? I can't grab it for some reason.
Gwab.
It's broken. Grab it.
Gwab is my favorite game.
Okay, I'm coming too.
No, I just broke both my butt cheeks.
I'm making a new.
What about this?
I'm making a game called the party.
Whatever this is,
No.
give it to me. I'll take it.
Well, that's a weird glitch.
I'll take care of it, bro. Give me it. Here, I got you.
Oh, we can shove it though.
Not bad.
What is it? Too big or
You are
something?
the perfectly clear, bro. You did not need it by any means.
I gotta do this 5 more times. That's getting
You're fine. We made mistakes like you.
Thank you.
How do you think I made this?
Huh?
With lots of mistakes.
Hey, you, boy. Thank you. Can you like make a staircase to up over here at the bridge?
Oh yeah, I'm working on that right now. I have to. You just gotta keep it like that so I can build another one.
I got more.
Another one bites the dust.
Right.
You have to keep building these a little more vertical. Here, let me fix it.
Don't you just love lag, not letting you jump? Oh. Oh no. You know what? Jeez. This thing has a mind of its own.
Now we have a
Are you kidding me?
I think does have a mind of its own if you look at it.
butts are gone.
But? Are you talking about butts?
Travel
What?
Easy to get up here.
like robots.
Robots? Is that a Roblox thing?
I'm talking about
You got Roblox. You got a Yahoo.
Yahoo. Who uses Yahoo anymore?
not bricks.
Can I get a Okay. That's a faster way up.
Wait a minute.
Oh dear.
Who are you?
You.
Wait a dang minute. I hereby declare that I am not well acquainted with you, and I do not know who you are. And I need more statues.
Sisters, why are you?
Anyone got a bunch of statues? Okay, not there. No. Ah!
I think my broke too. I made it. I'm not.
No, my sister. It's 3 here. I don't want it. Alright, guys, we just keep building these things so close together.
Someone who keeps building stuff so close together. That looks cool, doesn't it?
This is not like staying up.
There's just a few people casually conducting a seance there.
That's wrong. That's me. I'm conducting kind of a lot of this.
Oh, you're conducting a seance?
I'm concerned.
Here's a little boost for you. You need to learn how to swim.
Who scrimmed? Who did a scrimming? That doesn't sound right.
Anyway, okay, ready? Sit, what? Go. He likes it.
I'm gonna go downstairs.
Dang it, I can't steal that. I want to steal that.
I just made a wheel. You guys look like wheel.
There, that works.
Go in my wheel now.
Anyone want some upside down apples?
Somebody was there. The superhero thing. And they were made out of
Ah.
Dang, that's a lot of stuff.
Were you about to sing Thick of It?
I touched your hair.
What is this lobby?
Cars and skylifts and planes and stuff. They should put vehicles in
Yeah, they should put vehicles into this. I was about to say Fortnite, but they already did that. I meant Gorilla Tech.
We could have a skylifter, like a plane we could drive, and then we could have like a plane we could fly.
Yeah, I love
fly up there.
driving planes and flying cars. Gee. Yes. Oh no. Ah. Ah.
And like, if they could have like water, like buckets of water we could put into like spaces, we could have boats. Boats would be cool.
No. Holy banan.
Nice and visible.
Holy bananas.
Beep, 3 more times. Beep.
Stop.
3 more times to go.
No, this lost it.
Ah, soul sister.
Join this exact code.
Man, get away from me. Stop. Stop, Pink. Actually.
Well, look at him. Look at this. Look, this lost. Tell him what did you just do?
Nice city.
This lost.
Tried to say it like the Wii Sports guy.
The wall gets closer.
No. Oh no.
Should I just trap everybody in the server in here?
Honestly, I don't care.
Like, Pink, actually, I will. Pink, stop.
And let me guess, you're gonna block off the report thing too.
Nah, I don't think I will. I'll open it for everybody though.
2 more times. 2 more times. 2 more times.
I'm planning to make the server hell. What did you say?
You said a naughty word.
You can't break it.
What was that laugh? What was that laugh?
Okay, what did you
Someone was casually choking on air.
You can't destroy my building because it's not my fly. I will be setting off Gorilla Tag. You may have my whole circle in your plots.
Don't you guys love casually choking on air?
I'm not gonna build it over. I'm not building it over the report button. I'm just trying to get away from this thing right here.
Do it over the mute button.
Just a giant wall to jump over. I give you. Oh, no! He destroyed it. I accidentally did.
You did what?
This is awkward, but here's your piece back.
Here's your piece back.
I'm gonna get this over now. Totally. I won't do that. I don't like things over hell bit. Sometimes I do. If the moon.
Did someone set fire to something?
I set fire to my mom's house.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say you set fire to your mom.
No.
Yay! Arson and assault. Oh crap.
Assault?
Assault with an arson. Assault with a flamethrower. Where's that fire?
This is my little rolling ball of death. Bosses.
That is so cold, but I don't care.
Assault with a deadly flamethrower.
Over here.
You can't destroy it because it's on my
Either that or it's attempted murder or something.
It's like,
Murder, 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 murder. I'm gonna murder, 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 murder.
grab this circle, sir. That's it.
Huh?
Someone destroyed the staircase. God. Oh, wait, where did it? Oh, no.
Murder, 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 murder. No, I will not stop.
No, my circle is gone.
Yeah, put the thing back. Or else I will.
My circle is gone. Oh, and then what seems like a
You're big, you
giant...
don't count.
And this is where we sacrifice people.
Wait, what? Getting sacrificed?
You wanna get sacrificed?
Yeah, I wanna get sacrificed.
That built this?
Yeah, I wanna get sacrificed.
Dang. What's the password? Climb up. I just do one more. Alright.
Okay, my my hands are stuck. My face is gonna get stuck.
I'll be right back.
Did you?
Well, how funny is this gonna be?
What?
Guys, don't mind the giant piece I'm carrying right now.
Oh wait, I want to see. I want to see.
Guys, watch this. This one.
Absolutely wheezes.
It's already kind of hard to get up here.
You don't like how I'm doing half them.
Alright, this is the sacrifice platform if you want to go on it or something.
My dad.
Purple friend! He's making the choice of sacrificing himself. Let's watch.
Every time I hear the word,
Before you sacrifice yourself, what do you have to say?
no, I'm not purple anymore, and I changed my
I forced myself down your mouth and pooped you out.
I'm so sorry.
Oh wait.
Let go of it. You'll break it. Let go. Just let go of it. Just be silent. Okay, you're fine.
Okay, don't grab it. Just don't.
I meant to grab the fan. I meant to grab the fan.
Well, the next time, grab the fan.
Oh, no, that's what happened here.
The sacrificial platform got discombobulated. Apparently, the gods were like, you suck. I'm not even gonna we're not even gonna let you sacrifice people because you do it wrong. Or maybe it was because I said, while I was being sacrificed.
You need this?
I have my other circle. Here, you can have my circle.
Hi, buddy. Hi.
Hi, bye.
Would you like the
Why did I do that? Why did I do that?
No? Okay. Do you guys want a circle? Do you guys want
How to do it what?
Sacrificing?
How to circle?
Do you guys want a circle for sacrificing?
Yes, I want to sacrifice some circles.
Stop.
I sure want to sacrifice some circles.
The sacrifice.
Sacrifice some circles.
Royal currency.
Like Scoob, I really want to sacrifice some circles.
He's trying to leave. You have because I'm blocking it. Yo. Yo, who made this? Me, I did. If you destroy it, I'm killing you. Yeah. No, Green, there's another way to do it. Green, there's no Loaf, there's another way to. What are you doing? I got you guys. Don't worry.
Guys, he's back. Guys,
I'm just saying.
Huh?
Max not about to die, guys.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Giddy guy. His name's Giddy.
Giddy.
Wait, guys, that's 0-0. Bro.
Yeah!
Yeah?
I appear to have fallen.
Zero, I got you. Let go of it. Let go. Oh,
Dude, let go!
okay. What did you just do?
You just erupted chaos in the server.
What happened?
The
What?
the entire thing.
Okay, fuck you guys. He left. I reported him.
Dude, be careful with that. Careful with... What are you doing? Make it yourself. You took that off just to do that. Hey!
I don't know. What was that sound?
Freaking half of my thing. Okay.
It's the same guy. It's the same guy. Go Crusher. No, let's go.
I have the ring, and I'm keeping it for so it doesn't get destroyed.
Now you ain't leaving no more. Yeah, I'm blocking this thing off. You're not leaving.
I saw that.
Oh, crap.
Leaving.
You're not. Okay, he left somehow. You guys, here guys, I'm fixing this when
I think I know how he left. He put his hand under that.
Yeah.
Who's that?
That's
Who are you?
I'm making
Who are
this
you?
entirely impossible to do. To get off of. I'm making this entirely impossible to leave it.
Bro.
It'd be funny if you accidentally leave while you're trying to prevent people from leaving. It would just be kind of funny.
I've done it.
Let people have fun.
And don't. I'm allowed to touch.
Oh, right. Yeah, I don't own it.
Touch this entire thing. I built it myself. No. Drop it down. Guys, I got this. I built it and I know it.
Don't know why I'm accusing you of
I have a feeling someone broke
before taking thing. But I thought it was you. Anyway, don't steal things that people are actively working on that they tell you to don't steal, because that's no fun. And you're a poo-poo pee-pee poo-poo pants face if you do that.
Yeah, we don't break them.
Yeah, you're a pee-pee poo-poo pants
I
face.
know another workout for me. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Never impossible. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, technically you still can, but yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, I fell.
3.
I need ropes on that. Wait, that wouldn't do anything.
Enough. I got my workout today. That's actually good. I got it.
Did you,
I think
dang,
I
I'm
might
not
go.
doing this.
I don't
Oh no!
No.
That is really hard to climb.
Have a tolerance where you can't touch this right here. This entire thing.
Off
No touchy.
limits. Off limits right here.
There ain't nothing there.
What the heck?
I don't get
Did someone break the lobby?
Just touch my thing. And don't leave. Yo.
Hey.
Who the heck did- Oh no! That is sick. This is
Well, that's gonna disappear.
Bro, this is the best.
Told ya.
I made this. I had an idea.
This is the best on the up, man.
You look like a hillbilly. You get it? VMT.
Destroyed it.
Oh, who did that? Oh my god, bro. Okay, I'm preventing no one to leave now. Okay. Until someone takes whoever makes themselves. You can't. Bro.
You know, I got a better sacrifice platform. And it's the platform itself.
Come on, go build something. Just don't be in here and just.
Until someone takes themselves out, I'm not allowing anybody to leave.
Someone does what?
I'm not
Oh.
allowing anybody to leave until someone takes whoever cleans themselves out. I'm not allowing you. No, who did that? Who destroyed this? There.
Well, at least we were
Go through there.
able to save like 1% of it.
What? Bruh. Stop, I'll let you leave.
We were able to save 1% of it, guys.
1%?
Yeah. Only the loop, though. Only the. Oh, frick. Oh.
No, you're allowed it. No, you're gonna need that back. Is it none?
Ah, it's hard to climb even when you're big. Jeez. I need to make this easier to climb, but like I'm gonna do that. Or should add checkpoints.
No one's leaving.
Diddy left. Diddy left.
Maybe it was Diddy.
Briefing.
Oh, I love bench climbing. Whew.
No griefing the giant slide. We're trying to save the slide back up again. Someone destroyed our progress.
Yo,
Someone destroyed it.
don't be a jerk about it.
Someone destroyed it. No, don't touch.
I'm not touching. I'm going for not touching people on the bills. I'm mad. I'm mad.
Yo, whoa.
How was that constructed? Okay.
If someone touches this, you're gay.
Trying to make this and someone.
If someone touches this, you're gay.
And if you're already gay, then you touch it, you're straight.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
You're gay.
Toxic player.
You're gay. That's my build.
I'm making us
It's part of our entire single player. It got broken somehow. But
Bro, did you make an AR? What is that?
oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Someone made an
Yeah, I
AR.
made it so you can't leave. Hey, VMT, what did you make? Make this a prize
What?
piece and put this on top of the wall. This is not allowed to be touched.
Helicopter.
Touch it.
Here.
Just kidding, I would never.
Into a new lobby.
What is this? You're going to the new lobby.
It wants a statue. You want a statue?
Oh my god.
I swear. No! I swear I'm going to get
How was that made?
if someone touches this.
Oh, okay.
I'm not allowing no one.
Orange.
Purple.
Vice my throat.
Going all out on them.
I just got the dumbest idea ever that will make you do it more. Oh, that sounds bad out of context. Put it back in. Put it back in. Jeez, that's gonna be so out of context. Oh, hi, what's up?
Okay, so I
Try doing it on this.
Really?
I had to troll people and go real fast. So if you're gonna do a fair thing and run on to
I need an unclaimed plot.
so here's how you guys can Alright, here's what you got. Number 1. That's this one. And good job.
I crap myself for some reason. I totally remember.
You pooped yourself for views?
Kinda. Let's try how to dance. Maybe some blocks.
Do I have anything else to connect? Nope. Well. Is anyone on this platform? I'm gonna move it. If I can, which I think I can. I think I can move it. I hope I can move it. Oh, wait.
I'm blocking your report button.
Of course you are.
There you go. What did you do?
Yo, can somebody finish this ramp or whatever they're doing? Because I'm trying to go up to like the infinite slide that they're doing.
Do not believe anyone is on this. I am moving it. Do not get on it. I am moving it. No one. Okay. Oh, is this gonna work?
Yeah, I'm kind of.
Hey, dude, I'm gonna move this. So.
Someone go get that guy to get.
Never mind. I'm not moving it.
Going inside on the majestic thing.
I just realized it's too big to move. Are you making a gun? What?
Anything impossible.
Guys, can somebody help me go up to like that big old slide that someone built?
No.
Aw.
Right there.
Brother. Brother.
Oh my god, they're gorilla statues.
Did you just throw up?
Oh my gosh, can you push me out my butt?
No. Ask Drake. Oh crap.
Who's beating the ass? Who's got like a dying bomb right now?
Dying bomb.
Dying.
No, I'm not allowing anybody in the server to report and do anything. Everybody in the server is not allowed to do anything. I'm disallowed them to. No. Core is now used disallowed. You are not allowed to do anything in the server.
You are not allowed to exist in this server. Get the freak out.
That's my next target. You can't get out now.
Oh, you can't exist in this server. Get out. And by the way, it's forbidden to leave.
Okay, can I have this? Can I have this to build over there so you can forbid them from leaving?
Oh, wait.
I'm gonna forbid y'all from leaving now. Like, the most forbidden thing here.
No way.
No, don't forbid.
Oh, me skibidi.
Oh my gosh.
Stick it through the wall. That sounds weird.
Destroyed. No, leave.
Hold on.
That's gonna get destroyed.
Bro. Why are these people doing the same thing that I
Dang it, you can still report people.
How? Are you trying to make... You have that plushie, I have this plushie. They're friends! Oh, what the heck? Where'd you get the new plush at?
A store, probably.
I got this report. Timu.
Oh, goodness.
Anyone want a ring? Like the people who are working on a Dude, you want a ring? You want a ring? You want a ring?
Guys, can you finish up the entrance to like
Wait, I think you're
private
muted for
thing?
me.
'Cause I'm trying to go down it.
Everybody's muted now.
You want a ring? You want a ring? You want a ring?
I want a ring.
You ate it and you pooped it out. Ba 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 ba! How'd you stick your hand through while still grabbing it? Oh, did you just rip my ring in half? I thought you wanted a ring for your slide thing.
throw my thing right here. It's still my evil trick.
Well, that's not annoying
You
at all.
can't leave my server. You can't leave my entire the server now. I'm not allowing you to. Hey guys!
Hey guys, I'm Skibidi Among Us VR 12 butt face. I broke it. I broke it.
Guys. Yo, can somebody help? Can somebody help finish this stuff?
Say it.
Can someone make me a bunch of these?
I can sense the.
Can someone make me a bunch of these?
I'm gonna go fix it.
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna be my carrier.
Just finish my work.
Alright, I got it!
Can you make me a bunch of these? Can you make me a bunch of these?
Once you're in here, you can't. Oh my god, my
I'll put it here.
Did someone just say nerf? Nerf.
Bro, who just
Was that words? Was that supposed to be words?
I don't know anymore. No, you can't absolutely
The other one is a genius. The other is insane.
Build the impenetrable wall.
Frit.
The impenetrable wall.
We're just singing
Right here.
the Pinky and the Brain theme song. That's my favorite part of the theme song, where someone burps and then coughs.
I love that part of the song. It's like my favorite part.
Yeah, favorite part. It's my favorite part, mate. I love the part where they go. "Ah." Yeah, I definitely love the part where they say hawk to it.
Put this on.
For a funny haha.
Oh my god!
That's my favorite type of haha, the funny one.
Hey, Black. Yeah, Black.
Very funny, haha.
Black.
Funny haha.
Funniest of ha-has.
Black, come down there. The big one.
Can you help me build that?
So see.
I made the restarter!
Oh, I thought you were gonna say something else. What the?
He done grieved, bro.
He done did a griefing? I'm.
Who broke his ramp?
Where did it go?
Bro, I
Oh.
never put it, bro.
Bro, I'm trying to go up there.
Bro, what? If someone's gonna break that ramp, I'm gonna break this slide.
No.
Go ahead, Jack. Go ahead.
What the
Jack, go ahead.
frick?
Yo.
Someone broke the server. Someone broke the server.
Horseman from Roblox. Don't break it. Don't break
Oh,
it.
yeah,
I give up. You can't break it. If you break the slide, if you break the slide, I'm gonna.
Oh, someone broke the server. Someone broke the server.
Bro, I need to delete this!
what the?
Slide!
I appear to have been stuck.
Why is it free for...
The bird.
That's all this right here. Get in! Guys, it's creeping! Hawk to one somehow!
I'm gonna hug you.
Look, I'm flying.
Oh my gosh, I'm touching that piece of gold! That looks like a block. Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Bro, you can't do that! You can't do what? Hawk 2!
Oh yeah, that's.
Oh my gosh. I have Get it off me!
Well, this is quite annoying.
What is?
You can't report me!
Oh, really, buddy?
Go through the menu, but you can't.
Oh my gosh.
Get
You
off!
can't
What the heck?
I just someone. Who's my dude,
Absolute
man?
big back.
Okay,
Absolute big back. Come on, guys. Yeah, I'm just trying.
I am definitely
Yo,
not.
tiny people, I know you can hear us in a deep voice, so how does this fart sound?
Now you ever How does this sound?
How does this sound? Ah! My thingy is broken. My thingy broken. Is it still broken?
No! Who did this?
Yep.
I can't! What is it?
Guys, I'm going to speak my fantasy.
What are you doing?
Alright, let's fantasy.
Oh my goodness.
Rainbows and butterflies.
That's great, Katie.
Dude, oh my god, science.
Cheese.
Science.
Cheese. Oh my cheese.
Orange, you shall not mess with me because I am diabetic.
Oh, that's excellent. Sugar. Jeez, I can't even do the glitch now.
I do anything.
I'm in disabled. More guys stuck with my thing.
No, you're in Hobby Lobby. Hashtag non-spawn. I can't even do the dang glitch. Oh my Shigma.
My God, the freaking glitch is happening. Guys,
Oh my
I need to
goodness.
delete everything. I'm so sorry. I can't grab anything.
I'm flying, by the way.
Oh, I'm trying to freaking leave. This kid.
Uh,
Guys, how about let's join a private code? We can't. We're trying to get to the Ender Brother then.
What's the code?
Bro, I'm leaving this.
If you want
There.
to see a really amazing
Jeez.
code, I'm trying to freaking leave a code, bro.
Oh my Skigma.
Stuck with me forever.
What are you guys building?
I'm leaving.
No one's building anything because the server's glitched.
Good to
Maya here, Maya home, Maya.
You guys, how is the server glitching?
Can you see this? You probably can't. Also, aren't you flying?
Can you get this out of the computer?
No, I don't think I will.
Yeah, nah.
Build. Do you guys want an apple? Anybody
Oh, that
an
can
apple?
work. Anyone want an apple or an Apple phone?
You want an apple?
Yes.
Hey, bro, wake up! Let's go.
Thank you. I love that apple.
Oh!
Would you look at that? I am stuck.
Literally see stuff. God, what is? Wait. Why? Whenever I place it down, it's like these places.
Jeez, it's forcing me back up through it.
Yeah,
No, why when I place them down, it despawns?
I can't even grab. Thankfully.
You. Orange.
What?
Whenever you take something from there, does it despawn when you place it?
Take something from where?
Look, every time I take one of these items and I place it down, it disappears.
Oh, yeah. What if you put it
I
on...
can't see any of your items that you grab.
Oh my goodness, I broke it. Well, it was already broken, but who
Why
cares?
does it do that?
Because the server's glitched. That's why.
Oh.
how do you glitch it? Like, how?
Magic.
Is that even possible?
Yes, it's very possible. You can also lag the server out.
When do they make ones?
I'm holding two objects at once.
No.
How'd that get over there?
Bro, made the longest thing in the earth.
No.
I'm gonna despawn this.
Bro, I'm gonna work so hard to get this. Okay, so.
Oh, there's a physical barrier. Okay. Pogo's bent it.
Yes, it works.
What is this?
It's not even despawning.
You see my finger? You see my finger?
Wow. How far can I move this?
Wait, do you remember me? We were in the only option.
Oh, yeah, the only option.
See my
Oh, hi.
What are you standing on? Oh, wait, my thing's finally loaded. I'm going to leave now.
Yeah,
How'd you-
my friend. It's just disappeared and everything.
Did it finally work?
Someone
I have a feeling it did not.
Holly, only up. Wait, wasn't it me? Did you leave?
Oh, the server is fixed, but I can't see anything.
I've been doing this for
My thingy is gone. My thingy is gone.
Here, let me help.
There's nothing in my
I'm
hands.
flying. What's going on?
There is something in your hands.
Well, not on my screen.
What are you floating on?
Air. Floating on air.
Air surfer.
It's glitching.
Yeah, the server has been glitching.
I just turned him into a cube.
Oh, crap. My crap is gone.
Turn this boy into a cube.
Well, too bad I can't see the cube. Ow. Oh, you. That. Bruh.
Ah! It's a flying cube!
Wee.
Bro, are you
Wee.
okay in there?
Wee.
No.
Hello, wee.
Inside a cube?
Wee.
Yep.
Oh, crap.
Everyone!
My game is gonna
Why
crash.
is it a floating cube?
The server that you are currently entering has been glitched the f out. Please find a new server.
I'm floating again.
Never.
Eh. No,
I'm floating again.
Dang it.
I bet someone just fell out of the map.
Here, I'm gonna.
Someone did a what?
It's on a block. Come here.
You know what someone did?
Go small. Make you inside.
Someone burped.
Small so I can turn you into a cube.
Over here by the window.
Okay. Yeah, you are about to enter a glitched server.
I am small, bro.
Hey, you. The guy that was in the only up. Go here. Come here.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
come here.
Duh.
Everybody talk about.
How are you floating on air?
Because they have a good gaming chair.
I'm gonna turn him inside the cube like last time. Get closer to the cube. Everybody talk about.
Everybody.
Floating. Are you cheating?
No, we're just in a glitched server.
Yeah, it's a
But-
glitch. I don't know why I'm glitching. How are you glitch?
Yeah, I'm gonna report you for cheating. Meanwhile, we're just in a glitched server.
It's a glitch server.
How was that guy floating?
Yes. No, let me show me your running. Wait, oh, it's because you have the block.
Oh, my head. What? Bench? What would that mean? Alright, I am leaving. Okay, then.
I'm not even getting banned anyways. Oh, now you should play anti.
If you really have money, you should put anti.
What's up, Hills?
Dappy King. Kid.
No, you could use the apple! You could probably also use balloons if they were here.
Buddy, no one's gonna be your friend.
Everyone equip this thing because why the heck not?
What did I do? Not you, piggy.
You're annoying.
You shut up.
No, we're too busy with leaves. You know what? I got a dumb idea. I don't think it's gonna work.
Okay, now you mean.
I don't know if that looks like I'm sharding out leaves or not. And also, of course, did I? Goes Butters. It goes Butters. Also, the new mouth. Ah, oh, it doesn't work.
Here because I just got a new game and I really want to play it. And it's still down there.
Is it Brickmania?
I'm playing another game.
Which, by the way, doesn't work. I mean, you can't get it.
Changing in 20 days. We're busting down.
Yeah. What? Oh. You know what? Turn yours on and point it forwards. I want to see if we get double the leaves. Stop moving. I don't know. Well then, manifest some lunch funny.
That I believe would be a Ruffles chip to consume.
All I have is a nickel and a few Nutter Butters. And also a wadded up piece of gum.
That I believe would be a Ruffles chip to consume.
Anyone want to go to Virtual Stomp? And also, I guess, Droopy Crossings like the subscribe button ending this video.
Yo, please play mangoes.
No, I don't got a soundboard. I don't got a soundboard.